Magic Crack Filler is a granulated powder solution that comes in this plastic bottle. I cleaned out my concrete driveway crack first before applying the product. It's literally the consistency of like sand, so it's pretty easy just to squeeze it in the... oh, here I taped off the edge so it didn't run out into the yard. But yeah, you snip off the bottle, and then it pours pretty easily. Yeah, if you have any loose pieces like this little chunk here of broken concrete, you definitely want to get rid of loose material first. But as you can see, it's very lightweight. You can sweep it right into the concrete cracks and the joints, and it will fill it pretty easily. This was a nice warm dry day. Here I tried using a plastic kind of wedge to squeeze it in even a little bit tighter. It was pretty easy just to sweep it in the crack. It filled it pretty easily. Had no issues with that. It was definitely a do-it-yourself project. Here you wet the product. Now you don't want to use a garden hose. That'd be too much pressure and it would wash the product right out of the crack. So we used a plastic spray bottle to wet down the Magic Crack Filler and let it set up. When it dries and sets up, it'll be hard. Here I am after a few hours to show you that it's getting very hard. I'm tapping on it with a screwdriver and my finger. It seemed to be as hard as the concrete, so it filled the cracks and it hardened up nicely. It's been about 1 year since I made this video, and overall it's still holding up well. I'm pretty happy with it overall. We may have had a few small little pieces that cracked and chipped out, but overall it's holding up very well. It has been over a year. Over here, it has definitely hardened and has filled the crack. No water is getting in there. Over here was a real low spot, and it has sealed that effectively. That's been over a year now.